We get a call from R&D Partners. Hey, Andre, it's time now. We need to do tax credit. So I don't even have to think about it.
At the start of a new fiscal year, they really take the time to sit with the team, with us, the management team, the project leads, to really explain what's eligible for R&D tax credits.
You know, we've been using them, I think, now for 8 or 9 years, and it's been every year. It's so easy. It's super fun to work here. You know, we've created an amazing company. We develop devices that go anywhere in the body, from the brain into the beating hearts, in the lungs, and the kidneys. And R&D Partner helps us, you know, maximize our returns in order for us to continue to grow in the medical device industry.
Agile MV started about 10 years ago, and in 2022, we were acquired by Resonetics.
I'm super happy because it removes a lot of stress for my team.
R&D Partners simplified the process of getting our applications in.
R&D Partner takes everything and creates this amazing file that they send to the government in order to get the R&D tax credit that we're allowed to get.
They're also a fantastic support to us when there's an audit.
It's a great partnership. And to tell you the truth, I would recommend R&D Partners to any R&D company here in Montreal or anywhere else.
They recognize our needs and they customize their approach to the different types of projects that we have.
So super happy to have a company like R&D Partners supporting us.